In this video, we show you how to activate Amazon Alexa voice control on your Denon Home speakers and reveal what you can do with Alexa and Denon Home. Stay tuned. The recent update offers the possibility to activate the internal microphones of the Denon Home speakers for Alexa voice control. This allows you to use voice commands directly on your Denon Home device. There is no more need for an external voice assistant. After the update to the latest firmware, you will be automatically prompted by the HEOS app if you want to use Alexa. Anyhow, you can also always open the settings in the HEOS app and select Alexa. Open the HEOS app on your smartphone or tablet. In the Rooms tab, you will see your Denon Home setup. Please switch to the Music tab and open the settings. Here, you will already see the option Amazon Alexa. Activate the Alexa voice service for the corresponding Denon Home speaker. After you have logged in with your Amazon login data and confirmed the connection, you can already use Alexa on Denon Home. Activating Alexa also adds two touch buttons on top of your speaker. The action button lowers the volume and activates Alexa, so you can give your voice command directly to Alexa without mentioning her. The mute button mutes the internal microphones. In this state, you enjoy 100% privacy and nothing is captured by the microphones. Thank you for your attention, and we hope you enjoy using Denon Home and Amazon Alexa. Until the next time, bye. Alexa, play pop music.
Playing pop rock music from Deezer.